Good morning, everyone. Today is kind of going to be a fun little project for me right now. It's August 15th, and in the mail yesterday I got two things. I've got this CHPWS. It's a metal mounting plate. As you can guess, that's going to be fun to do. And I got this Sig Sauer optic red dot. I haven't opened it yet to see what it looks like, so that's what we're doing right now. And this is what we get inside. Guess I might have to read some directions on this. Anyway, this is what we get. Pretty cool, huh? I don't know if you can tell what that's going to go on because I haven't told you yet. But yeah, it's going to be cool. It's going to be really cool. I've got it from a very, very, very reliable source. This is the way to go on what we're going to be putting it on. And what we're going to be putting it on is this. That should give it away right there. Let's open this thing up. There we go. I haven't had this out yet to play with it either, so you have to bear with me if I kind of fumble through everything. But this is what we're going to be playing with today. So it's going to be fun, isn't it? I think it's going to be pretty cool. It's empty. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to turn it over to somebody else right now, so somebody that might know better what he's doing. So hang on a minute while he shows up.
Hello.
Let's get started on this thing, shall we?
You don't know who I am, do ya? Huh? I can't see anything. I can't see.
I might have to go get me a special tool. Luckily, they send us a tool. Not anywhere near the size we need. Alright, hang on, I gotta go get a tool. Alright, we're gonna get started on this, and I found out this got an Allen wrench, screws in it, and they are 2mm. Just so you know, these screws are pretty snug, so make sure this tool is all the way down inside your screw before you try to break it loose, or you'll be stripping the head out of the screw. Guaranteed, pretty much. But just be careful with that part. Alright, there's the plate, it's off. Still got oil underneath there, so we're gonna probably just leave that. And we're going to get this plate out of here. It comes with its own Loctite, so that's good. Made in the USA. Gotta like it. Oh man, now I gotta go get another Allen wrench. Oh, that's a star fitting, that's a Torx bit. Now I gotta go get a Torx bit. Guess I need to cut it. There's a line right here. I think that's where I need to cut it to. So we'll go with that. Yep, there's my hole. There's my hole. Don't need a lot, but need enough, but not a lot. That thing just slips right on there. There's two pins, a pin here and a pin here. That thing just sits right there. It's nice and snug. And two screw holes actually line it up. I gotta go get a Torx bit. I'll be right back. Alright, you know how they say it would be best to be over prepared than under prepared? Well, I just broke that rule. But anyway, we needed it's a T15 for the screws that come with the sight. And that just sits there, looks like that. And we get the screws in there, hopefully. Hopefully I got a hole lined up there. Yep, there we go. I hope you can see it. But whoops. Nice and snug. You want to go just until you're about ready to strip the threads out. And I hope you know that I'm just kidding on that. But there's the sight. It's already mounted. That plate is metal, so it shouldn't come out as zero from what I've been hearing. But now the fun part's going to begin, and that's to go shoot it. So, and it's going to be a good sight, and you can still see the manual sights. I think we're going to be good. It's got an on-off switch. The battery, just take that, you take this cover loose, take the battery out of that, and it should work. But yeah, I can't wait to try this. I cannot wait to try this. It's sure gonna be fun. Let's see how we can get this thing to wake up. With that, we gotta do some reading. Comes with the battery. Maybe it doesn't have a battery in it yet. Let's take a look at this thing and see if there's a battery in it. A smaller bit. And there's no battery. So let's put the battery in there and see if it wakes up. I'm assuming it will. Turning on. Turn the sight on by momentarily pressing either the up or down button. Now my down button's right here. And we'll see if you can see it or not. Did it come on? And it did. It did. Wow. That thing gets pretty bright and it flashes. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it flashes. Oh, that just means that it's at full power, I believe, because it only flashes 3 times. I can take that thing all the way down to 0 pretty much, so you can hardly see it. Alright, we got her on, so yeah. Let's figure out how to turn it off. Turn the side off, press and hold the up and down barrel selector for 2 seconds. The sight will remain off until you momentarily press the up and down button again. Let's see if we can get it to turn off. Yep, it went off. Yep. Okay, so you gotta hold the button down for a couple seconds to go on or off. But All right. Now we just gotta wait for the fun part. And that's shooting it. That's gonna be really fun. Can't wait for that to happen. So that's it for this little video. Yeah, I can't wait to shoot this thing now. I'm gonna take it out to my nephew's place and see if we can't get this thing sighted in. Hopefully it'll be close to zero from the factory, but I don't like messing with them, but I don't have to. So yeah, later. Stay grape.